Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh yeah, this is SafsLife.
Good morning everyone, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to another vlog. It is the 25th day of Ramadan. Already the 25th day. 25. Anyway, today we actually woke up. Well, I didn't wake up late, it just took ages getting ready, and then we had to rush to get ready, and then at the last minute, as we were about to leave,
very late. I don't mean Ethan woke up at the perfect time.
That's a lie. I woke up before you, and I had a shower, and then I woke you up. Anyway. Anyway, stop trying to call me out when I didn't even wake up late.
You did wake up late.
Yeah, I did wake up a little bit later than I should have, but it's okay, because I got a text saying that Issa's nursery is closed today. So, as we were about to leave, I checked my phone and we didn't even need to leave, so that's why we're still at home. So today I'm sorting out hoodie orders. That means I need to go to my friend's house. I was gonna get it all done without Issa there, just like bam bam bam, get it all done, and then go to the post office, send them all off. But we have a little munchkin. We have a little munchkin, don't we? Yes, we do. So Issa's gonna be with us while we do the hoodie orders. I'll try and film as much as I can, but when I'm trying to get things done, I don't really think about vlogging. Stop whistling, Elisa. Anyway, so that's the plan for today. We've got a few minutes, so they're going to open up their chocolate advent calendars. We haven't done this on camera for a while, have we? This is the state of my living room right now. It's so empty. Also, an update with my sofa. I saw 1 and a 4.
No, this one.
Oh, go on then. Look, Issa, this one.
No.
This one here. So yeah, an update with my sofa. Basically, they rang me up and they were like, it's been delayed, the ports of like traffic and things like that. I have no idea why it was delayed, but it's been delayed for another like week, so I'm without a sofa in this room for that long. Okay, next one you need to open. Oh, have you not opened 21? You need to open 21 there, and 22. Oh, your 22 is actually gone. Okay, anyway, so what was I saying? Yeah, my sofa's not coming until like the 14th of this month now, which is after Eid. So in here, it's just going to be empty for Eid. It's okay, it's fine. Probably not going to spend much time here. Anyway, that's what's happening with my sofa. I'll catch up with you after I drop Elisa off at school. Guys, I can just see all of the pollen floating in the air. Is it pollen? You know when you can see all those little bits? I don't even know if you can see them, but there's so much of it. And I just feel like that's what makes you have hay fever. Am I right? Am I wrong? I don't even know, guys. Is that what it is? Somebody tell me. I don't really know much about anything, so this is why I ask you guys to confirm things a lot. So let me know. Is that pollen? Like, you know these little tiny bits of fluff flying around? Is that what it is? Anyway, yeah, I'm kind of scared of that. Like, imagine walking into a bunch of that and just like sneezing your head off. So we are now doing the hoodies. My best friend's here. You can't see her because she doesn't want to be on camera ever. She's swearing at me. Anyway, we have got some of the hoodies not done. None of them are done yet. Basically, I've just put the sticker thing on them, and then we got to do the heat press. But yeah, we're just going through all the orders now. Issa is just chilling in the corner playing. What are you making? Pizza.
Yeah.
Here, look. Come on here.
Pizza. Buggy. Cheese.
Cheese?
Yeah, cheese.
Yummy.
Yummy. It's yours.
Yeah. Is that for me?
No, mine.
Oh, okay. And do you want some mushrooms?
Yeah. Let's go on top. There you go.
I thought it was yours.
No, Katie's.
It's Katie's.
No, it's probably yours.
Thank you.
I know what. Ah!
Okay. Mmm.
call me Ramadan.
So for all of the kids in my family, I am doing a hoodie. This one is Elisa's one, and I don't even know, she just wanted something on it. She actually wanted Kids Life, but I've put Unicorn Princess, but no, Princess Unicorn Sparkle, because that's the kind of thing that she calls herself. So yeah, this is what it's got on it. So random. It's the wrong one. So guys, all of the hoodie orders are done. What do we think? Tell me what you guys think of the kids ones. I would be selling the kids ones, but I don't think they have a good enough like range of stock for me to be selling them, because then if they don't have things in stock, and then I'll have to let you guys down. I don't want to do that. So if you really do want one, then just email SafsLifeSales@hotmail.com and then ask for the color that you want, and I will tell you what sizes they have in that color, or tell me the size you want and we can tell you what colors they have of the kids hoodies. So yeah, if you do want a kids hoodie, then we'll do a special order for you, or we can do like sweaters and things like that as well. So whatever you want, just let us know and we can maybe order that for you. So for Issa, Raya. So Issa, I've got a raw. These ones are for my sister's kids, their favorite colors. And I showed you that before, the Princess Unicorn Sparkle for Elisa, and then these are for my nephews, Caden and Adam, and then these ones are just orders. This one is actually mine. This is a glow in the dark, I don't know, can you see? Glow in the dark, SafsLife. So these are all of the hoodies that we've done today. There's a few more, but I just don't have space on the table. They're ready to go basically. So I've got all of the hoodies in bags here, ready to go to the post office. But first we gotta go and get Elisa. Your animals are in your bag, baby. He thinks he's left his animals there, but they're in his bag. But yeah, we gotta go get Elisa from school, and then I gotta go to the post office because I don't have time. Like I feel like I'm gonna be late to get her if I do go to the... It depends. There's a post office right next to the school, so I might be able to get her before I pick her up. I mean, I might be able to go to the post office before I pick her up. I don't know, my brain's not working right now, but we'll see. If not, I'll just have to go with them, both of them, after. Fun times. So yeah, let's do this, let's do it. By the way, I really do think that all of those little bits in the air are hay fever, because my hay fever is going crazy today. Yeah, I can just see them everywhere still. Madness. So guys, it is a little bit later now. Hoodies are gone. I can't remember when I last updated you, but the hoodies have been posted. I have been home for about an hour. I've just been so tired. I feel so shattered right now. Issa, what are you doing?
That.
I'm gonna make pizza with mummy. Issa's gonna help me make the kids some pizza, so let me show you what we're making pizza with. So basically we have these breads, which are these soft sliced focaccia, and they look so delicious. I've not actually tried one yet, but I want to. They look so yummy, so I'm gonna put those to the side. But the kids are literally just gonna have one of these each, and then I'm gonna do some chips for them as well. We're just gonna make a really easy one.
my bag.
Get a spoon.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one.
Yeah.
There you go.
You hold it. So we're literally just gonna get some ketchup and some tomato puree, and I'm going to put a little bit of each into here.
Yay!
I'm gonna mix it for me. It's a mixy.
Yeah.
A little bit of ketchup in there.
Yeah.
That's perfect for you guys. They don't like this stuff very
I
tomatoey.
like it.
We're gonna add a little bit of aromat to this, aren't we?
Alcohol.
Yep, perfect. And
Next.
watch your back, watch your bum, watch your legs. Go on, get a bit closer and keep stirring, We want it stirred really well. We're also going to add some mixed herbs to this. Nothing amazing, nothing special. Literally just a tiny pinch because it's just for the kids. And a little bit of garlic granules. Actually, we're going to add a tiny bit of salt and pepper too. Nothing, not a crazy amount, just a little bit. Go for it. Mixy, baby.
Yeah.
Mixy, baby.
This is my boy.
Mixy, baby. Put a little bit on Elisa's, and a little bit on Isa's, and a little bit on Isa's, and a little bit on Elisa's. And then we're just going to put it on and spread it like jam or something. Something. So
My one.
yeah, we're gonna. Do you want to do your one, or do you want me to do it?
Mine.
You want to do it? No?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, let me turn it so you can reach it. There we go. And then, wow. You're doing great.
Wow. I wish it.
Yeah? Come on, keep going.
No. This it.
Did it.
This is.
Finished. Okay, thank you.
I want a spoon. Spoon shake. Spoon shake.
Not yet. You've got to spread it first.
Cheese.
Yeah?
There.
I'm going to add some cheese.
Cheese.
Let me do cheese you want.
My one.
Go on, these two. Wow.
Yay! This is
Wow, good job.
Stop.
Spread it out a little.
the video.
Spread it out a little.
Yeah. Whoa! My one. Yay! I'll eat it.
We're going to put it in the fridge first. I mean, in the oven. This is how my pizzas came out. They look so yummy and delicious. And then they've got some chips here. Are you excited to eat?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm too tired, so I haven't done any cleaning. Excuse the mess. Also need to put another wash out. So guys, it is now iftar time. I am so tired. Look at my face. I'm just so dead today. What am I doing? I need to put another load of washing out. I also need to empty my dishwasher, which I didn't do. So I'm going to have a nice cup of coffee before that. And then I'm going to go get my burger in a little while because that's my iftar today. Another burger, my weekly burger. Probably going to go tomorrow as well, to be fair, because they're doing a fundraiser, and I'll probably take the kids, maybe, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna have my coffee, finish off doing the cleaning. Coffee is drank. Now I'm going to finish tidying up a little bit, put the washing out, and then I'm gonna go and get my burger. So let's go, let's do it. everything is done, kind of like basically everything that I wanted to do. Anyway, I'm gonna get ready, put some socks on, put my shoes on, and I'm gonna go and get a burger. So guys, I have just got my burger. Excuse my squeaky chair. I'm not eating in my bedroom again because I don't want any crazy accidents to happen. I remembered to show you my burger today. Are you proud of me? Look at this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to eat this right now. Guys, these burgers are oh, I'm just zooming in. I didn't even realize I was doing that. These burgers are the best burgers in the world. Like, I just cannot describe how good they are. You need to go and try them yourself. But I'm excited to eat this. But I'm actually going to end the vlog now. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and inshallah I'll see you in my next video. Assalamu alaikum. Bye.
Oh yeah, that's right. This is SafsLife. Oh yeah.